Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful and easy DIY Mother's Day card using simple craft paper and creativity. This handmade flower card is perfect for Mother's Day because it is made with love straight from the heart. For this craft, I used beautiful colored paper, scissors, glue, and simple flower shapes to create these lovely cards. The bright colors and cute floral design make the card look special and unique. So I want to talk about handmade cards. Handmade cards are a wonderful way to show appreciation to our mothers, grandmothers, teachers, or someone special in our lives. So this DIY project is simple, fun, and perfect for kids and beginners. You can also customize the colors and decorations to make your own design. So if you enjoy making crafts, I believe you will enjoy this as well. If you're a mother, you can do this with your kids. If you're a teacher, you can do this with your students at school. It's just a very simple craft that every mother will like. So I'll be leaving you now to enjoy the rest of the video, and I shall see you at the end of this video. So if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and do not forget to like, comment, and share this video as well. See you.
Sun is falling, speed in the black. Nobody driving, we're in the back to the end of the world. Tides will rise, tides will fall with the gravity of you to the end of the world. Fortune teller, deck in her hand. Fool arcana lives on the land. The gravity of you. The gravity of you. Tides will rise, tides will fall. It'll always be true. Tides will rise, tides will fall. There's nothing we can do. How many suns we don't know. Our supernova tells us when we have to go. To the end of the world. To the end of the world. To the end of.
At this point, I'll be wishing all the mothers and upcoming mothers Happy Mother's Day, and I want to let you know that you are dearly loved. Thanks so much for watching, and see you all in my next one. Bye.